It honestly breaks my heart. Today, we're looking at a suffocated mitten tile floor over in Penkhull.
Decades of grime, sticky adhesive, and trapped dampness under old carpet left these beautiful period tiles completely lifeless.
So why would grabbing a mop and your standard acidic cleaner actually destroy this historic floor?
Well, it all comes down to tile porosity. This 19th century fired clay literally acts like a sponge. Surface dirt wipes off, sure, but residue lock-in means toxic contamination gets trapped deep within those open pores.
This demands a true master. David Allen at Abbey Floor Care brings over 30 years of specialist expertise. His clinical method totally avoids aggressive stripping. He uses light passes and immediate extraction to protect vulnerable clay.
The final cure? A breathable, impregnating sealer. It restores that gorgeous deep color without trapping any destructive moisture.
Masterpiece saved! So what other historic treasures are suffocating under your modern carpets, waiting for the right specialist?